everybody, I hope you guys are doing well and are having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today we are back with another super exciting Lush unboxing, and as you guys know, I get the Lush kitchen boxes every single month, and the past few months Lush have ever so kindly sent me the extra large box as well as my shower one, basically to do a combination unboxing for you guys to see the differences and basically get a little bit more information about the boxes as well. And they did originally say they were only going to send me the last 3, but they did get in contact again and they asked me whether I would like July's box as well, and of course I said yes, because not only obviously is this incredible for you guys, but also selfishly I'm just excited. I love Lush products, I love receiving them and getting to share them with you guys. So that is what we're going to do in today's video. We're going to dive in and do the shower box first, and then of course as always we are going to go through the extra large one as well. So strap yourselves in, get excited, get comfy, get cozy, get a drink, get your fans on because it's probably still a million degrees, and let's go through all the products in the box. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. Also, in case you guys were wondering, I did in fact learn from my last video to not use toilet roll when I'm sweating. So now I've upgraded to kitchen roll and I'm hoping that we don't die and melt. Would you guys actually believe it's currently 20 past 10 at night, hence why we're using the artificial lighting today, because it's been 30 degrees for a few days now and I filmed a video last night, melted, completely destroyed me to be honest with you, absolutely crashed out over it. And all week this week, I'm filming on Sunday night by the way, all week this week is going to be like 30 degrees and I'm just like, I'm not doing it. So it's 20 past 10 at night. So do bear with me because I'm exhausted. Anyway, let's go through the boxes. I hope you guys enjoy and yeah, let's go. So as always, firstly, we are going to dive into the shower box. Now it is actually open and out of the original brown box because I saw some people's unboxings and their soap had completely melted, completely freaked me out. So I had to dive in and see if it was okay. I think they're still fine, but yeah, the heat has been unbearable, hence why people's soaps have been melting. But anyway, this is the theme for this month's box, which is Under the Sea, and as an absolute Little Mermaid Ariel fangirl, this is just insane for me because I love anything ocean themed. I love anything like, I don't know, I just love it and I'm really excited. And this, I'm pretty sure was the design of one of the, that was the weirdest noise ever, one of the jelly bombs a few years ago, which weren't my fave, won't lie, but he was very cute. Anyway, let's open it up and see what's inside. I've actually seen no spoilers, apart from obviously I did open the box and just check the soap was intact. I didn't really look at anything else because they have actually in fact changed it. So each section, each product basically has a compartment in the box now, which is really great in my opinion. So if I show you guys what it looks like now, it looks like this. So each product has its own little area, and I think that's so good because there's been so many times where things have kind of like touched and got a little bit funny because they've touched each other. So I'm very excited about this. So let's go through all the items. Honestly, I don't know what's in here. Something in here though is so strong. It's kind of making me need to sneeze a little bit. I don't know what it is, but let's go through all the items and see what we have inside. So, okay, so the first item we have is one that me and Ryan get very excited about because we both use shampoo bars every single time we wash our hair. I do go through shampoo bars or I use Curly Whirly. It just depends on my mood. This one we have inside, I'm very excited about. It looks absolutely incredible. I feel like this is going to be a super fresh, kind of really, I don't know what the word is, cleansing scent? I don't know. Something in this box is making me need to sneeze though. I'm literally on the verge of sneezing and I don't know what it is. Anyway, we're going to look past that. So this is the Pool Harbour shampoo bar. Amazing. And ingredients wise, it has got lime oil. We also have fresh seaweed. We've got seawater. We have got wild orange oil. We've also got bergamot oil. We've got oak moss. See, this is the thing. Me and oak moss, we don't always mesh well. I'm just gonna found myself, it's getting so hot in here, it's actually unreal. Yeah, me and oak moss, we don't always mesh well because sometimes oak moss makes it smell like a woods. Not my kind of vibe, so I don't really know what to expect with this, so we're gonna go into it and see. So let's go. I think this is what's making me need to sneeze and I don't know what it is. It smells really good, it's super fresh, very clean, but there is something in this that is kind of itching my nose a little bit and I don't know what it is. It almost smells like, and this is the weirdest way to explain it, but it's the only thing I can think of, it kind of just smells like, dare I say, like a generic men's deodorant. And you know, like when they spray it and it almost makes you cough a bit, it's kind of giving me that vibe. It smells good, it's just not what I would expect. And the good thing is it doesn't smell like oak moss at all, but this again is what it looks like. It's a beautiful kind of turquoisey blue colour. I'm very excited about it, and I'm sure Ryan will love it as well. And if you guys don't know, these shampoo bars are my absolute favourites because not only are they super easy to use, they lather up loads. They actually last roughly around 50 to 100 washes. And for a girl who washes her hair like, I don't know, twice a week, like these last me ages, and they're just absolutely delish. Oh, I can't fault it. I love that. So 10 out of 10. I'm very excited to try that one. Okay guys, so the next item we have is this. This is the Squid Shower Gummy, and I love the colour of that one. Now I'm not gonna lie, shan't get out the packaging, I'm so sorry, but it is gonna go everywhere. This one has things like patchouli oil, we've also got hoewood oil, we then have ylang ylang oil, lemon oil and petitgrain oil, as well as carrageenan extract. And essentially this is basically kind of like a more solid version of the shower jellies, and it's kind of like a soap, so it's a bit of a combination of both. I'm very excited to give this one a smell, so I'm just going to try and open it without opening it, if you know what I mean. So I'm just gonna, I think I'm just gonna, oh no, yeah, this has kind of melted actually. Let's just try and open it a bit. Have I ripped it? Is that the jelly, or is that, oh wait, hang on, I've got in, we're in. Oh wait, again, that's giving a very, I don't want to say it smells like a masculine smell, because obviously all Lush things are unisex, so you can use them however you want, but it has got that kind of automatic, like, oh, this is a more Ryan scent as opposed to something I would choose. But it is good. It's very fresh though. That is something I've noticed about the two products so far, is they are giving fresh, kind of crisp, perfect for summer kind of vibes. That sounds, I was gonna say that sounds great because it smells great. I feel like this would be really fun as well if you put it in the fridge. I don't know if it would still work or in the freezer like the jellies, but it's a very firm kind of squishy texture. But that is the next item, and I'm very excited to give that a try. Next up is the item which has been causing all of the chaos online, and that is of course the soap for this box. Now this is the Samphire soap, and ingredients wise in this one we've got coconut oil, we've also got clary sage oil, we then have fresh samphire, which I don't actually know what that is, so if you guys know, let me know. We then also have bergamot oil, fine sea salt, lavender oil and carrageenan extract. Oh, that's good. Again, it's giving minty. It's very fresh again, which doesn't surprise me. I feel like, again, the theme for this box is super fresh, very crisp, perfect again for these hot summer days. It's kind of like Outback Mate, but not as good. Like for me, Outback Mate is like the most perfect minty scent, but it's good. And I think it has the seaweed in it too, which is nice. If you guys don't know, all the seaweed is locally sourced from Poole, so that's really fun. Also, I'm really sorry if you can hear the wind. I know it's literally nighttime, but apparently there's 29 miles per hour wind going on at the moment. I cannot sit in here with the windows shut, so I do apologise, but that's really nice. Oh, I'd love to know if you guys liked this one, but it's really beautiful. It would really actually match my bathroom, so I think I'm gonna have to put that in the next, but oh, that's delicious. Wow, yum. Yum, yum, yum. I have actually just noticed that every single product in this box is a naked product, which is so fun. I feel like normally we either get like a shower gel or a body lotion or a scrub in a pot or something, but every single item is a naked one, which is really exciting. So the next item we have is this guy. This is the Shell Yeah Naked Body Scrub. He is so adorable. Obviously, he is the initial idea on the design of the box, which is fun, and he is super cute. So ingredients wise, in this one, it's all very similar actually in terms of ingredients. I feel like they do kind of keep a lot of the ingredients kind of reoccurring in the boxes, which is really fun, and everything kind of works well together. Ingredients wise in this one, we have got cypress oil, we've also got sandalwood oil, lavender oil, seaweed extract, we've also got sea salt, we've got sugar, we have got cream of tartar. Oh wait, oh hang on, that smell really threw me off actually. It's a very different scent. It's like, again, dare I say it's fresh? I feel like everything smells fresh, but it's very subtle. Like, I feel like it would work with any of these scents because it's not overpowering, but it is a more earthy fresh smell as opposed to like a fresh smell. Does that make any sense? Guys, it's late and I'm tired. I don't know what I'm saying. That's really, really good though. The naked shower scrubs are really fun. The only issue I find is that if I wet the whole thing, it does just start to melt. So the only way I found that I like to use them is if I break some off and kind of use it that way. But yeah, he's really, really sweet. I love the design of him. I think he's so fun. I have actually also used these before. I've put them in a pot with a tiny bit of water and like mushed it around, and it makes like a bit of a liquid scrub. But yeah, he's really cute. I like him a lot actually. Very nice. And last but definitely not least in the shower box, we have this guy. This one is so beautiful, and this is the Starfish shower steamer, which is absolutely massive. For a second there I kind of forgot that this was the shower box and not a bath bomb box, because I thought this was going to be a bath bomb. It's a shower bomb slash shower steamer, I guess. I shouldn't have smelt it because I didn't read the ingredients, but that's good. That's familiar though. Definitely a familiar smell. Okay, so ingredients wise in this one, we have got things again like lavender oil, we've got seaweed extract, we've got cornstarch, we've got lemon oil, we've got clove bud oil. It's that clove bud oil that smells different. That's really good though. It's like giving Christmas, but not Christmas. Does that make sense? Probably not. That's absolutely delish. And again, insanely beautiful. I love the design. If any of you guys only have showers, but you want that magical kind of little spa-like feeling, like these are really great. To be honest with you, the shower steamers and like the shower bombs were never really my vibe, but I haven't used one in a very, very long time. So I'm intrigued to see what this one kind of does in the shower, like something different. Oh, that's actually insane. I love that. And obviously it's very orange, has some beautiful gold glitter on it. Yeah, I'm obsessed. Oh, I just like breathed on the gold glitter and it went everywhere. Oh, yum. Oh, delish. Okay, so now we are moving on to the extra large box. So if you guys don't know, essentially the kitchen box now comes in 3 different options. You have the shower box, which is basically the one I just opened. You don't get any bath products. It's all shower friendly. Then you have the bath option, which I believe they just swap out a couple of shower things and give you bath products instead. And this one is essentially the extra large, which means you get every single product they release every single month. And honestly, every time I receive one of these, it does make me want to change my subscription. I cannot think of the words I'm saying, because this box is insane. Like, it's so luxurious, there's so much in here, and it does make me jealous. Like every single month I'm like, oh, I should have got the bigger box. So I'm really grateful for Lush for sending me this one, and I'm just very thankful. So let's open it up and see what other products we have inside. I'm very excited. Okay, again in this box we have got the dividers as well, and again I'm really loving that every product has a section. It just makes me feel a bit more secure knowing that everything's in there and like safe and not touching everything else, because sometimes there's like a black bath bomb in here that just gets dust everywhere, or something is super glittery and it goes over everything. So this is really nice just knowing that everything is separate. So let's just quickly run through again all the products we've gone through so far. So obviously the first one is the Starfish shower steamer, which again, oh, smells insane. The next item is the soap, which again thankfully has come completely intact and not melted within this box. So Lush, thank you so much. Oh, that's good. That one smells better, even though they smell the same, but that smells delicious. Then of course we have the Pool Harbour shampoo bar, which again I am very excited to try. I am currently using the one, I think it was last month's box, which was the orange one. Guys, it's so good, like insanely good. And again, I'm just so excited. I love shampoo bars and I will scream it from the rooftops forever. I've used them for so long now. I think I've probably used them for over 10 years, I think, which is crazy. Is it 10 years? Yeah, it must be. No, maybe a little bit under 10 years. I can't remember. No, it would have been. Insane. Then of course we have the squid shower gummy. I'm very excited to give this one a go as well. This one I feel like, again, it's weird, they kind of look like they've melted, but I don't think they have. Oh, that is good as well. Again, very fresh. The theme of this box, fresh, clean, crisp, I'm feeling. It's just very nice. And lastly, in terms of repeating products, we of course have this little guy, which is the Shell Yeah body scrub. And again, I'm very excited to try it. Oh, that one smells really strong actually. The one in the other box wasn't that strong. This one is very strong. It's very good though, very cleansing. Clean, fresh. Should I say fresh anymore, honestly? So now moving on to completely unique items in this box that we haven't gone through before. So the first item we have is this, which is a bath bomb. And this is the Melusine bath bomb. Now I'm gonna be for real, besties. I think we've had this before. I think this was released a few years ago. Correct me if I am completely wrong, but it does look very familiar. This one has ingredients like coarse sea salt, we have olibanum oil, carrageenan extract, we've also got gardenia extract and bergamot oil. Oh yeah, that smells familiar. It's very creamy smelling, if that at all makes sense. It's covered in glitter and it is going everywhere. but it's a very creamy, it's so hard to describe it. It's such a unique scent. I would instantly think like citrus, like a creamy, like a lemon meringue pie, but not. It's the only way I can describe it. But it's beautiful, it's lovely, it's green, teal, it's yellow. Oh, I'm delighted with that, to be honest. That's actually really delicious. And last but definitely not least, we have got this guy. This is the Rock Lobster Bubble Bar. Now, I don't know about you guys, but this instantly makes me think of Friends, and I just don't know why. Every time I see anything to do with lobsters or anything like that, I just instantly think of Ross and Rachel. I just feel like it's inevitable at this point. So ingredients wise in this one, we have got cream of tartar, tonka extract, and jasmine extract, and vanilla extract. Let's give it a smell. Oh, whoa. Again, it smells familiar. I'm so bad at describing scents, but this is very heavy on the vanilla, like almost like the vanilla-y perfume. That's kind of what this smells like. It's absolutely delicious, and he is so adorable as well. I absolutely love the look of this one. Yeah, I'm a big fan of that. Yum, yum, yum. So those are all of the products in the Lush Kitchen Shower Box and also the Lush Extra Large Kitchen Box for the month of July. I would love to know down below, as always, your thoughts, opinions on this box. Did you get it? Did you skip it? I would love to know, as always, down below. And also, of course, a massive, massive thank you to Lush for sending me this box. I am just so, so grateful that I actually get the opportunity to share both of these boxes with you. So Lush, again, thank you so, so much for sending me the extra large box. Your generosity just is insane, and I'm just really, really grateful. So yeah, that is everything for today's video. Of course, as always, in the description will be my Lush affiliate link. Don't feel like you ever have to use it, but if you do use it and you're in the UK, over 18, and you spend more than £15, you usually do get a free gift with purchase. So if you guys want to know what it is, at the moment I think it's the Magic Crystals body scrub, but it does change like once a month. So if you guys ever want to use it, it is down below, but you don't have to. It's just there if you want to. But that is everything for today's video. The next video coming will be a big book haul, which I'm about to film now if I don't die of heat stroke in the next 20 minutes. So fingers crossed it's up next, and I'm very excited about it. So if you guys haven't yet subscribed, please, please do. I would really appreciate it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.